I'm Deepika Sharma, Principal, Grand Columbus School. I thank Pranav and Tanya both for having me on this occasion of Independence Day. On this very occasion, I would like to request the education fraternity as well as all the parents to ensure that they need to make it clear to all their wards and students that in coming times, the people who have knowledge and skills to negotiate constant change and reinvent themselves in different situations will succeed. So we need to empower our children with literacy, information literacy, and self-directed learning. Only then we can conserve and deserve freedom. So, in fact, complete freedom. So thank you once again for having me. Happy Independence Day once again. Jai Hind.